Hello friends, today we are going to see how can we export the list of plugins installed on the WordPress website. So actually I have created one plugin called export plugin details. So by installing this plugin, you can take report from the website. So there are multiple ways to install this plugin to the website. One is we can download this plugin and upload it to the WordPress backend. And the second one is we can search this plugin in the WordPress backend. So here we can search and we can install this plugin, or else we can download and upload the files to the through the FTP and we can install the plugin. So after installing the plugin, you need to activate that plugin. Once you activate it, it will redirect you to the plugin listing page. So here we can see that the plugin was installed on the website. So to export this list of plugins, we can use this options here, or else there was a menu under tools menu. This is called export plugin details. When you click on it, it will export this plugin informations and plugin name, plugin description, plugin author, plugin status, current version, update is available or not, or is there any, if update is available, then if there is any new version. So it will display all these informations here. Please note that so this list won't add the export plugin details in the list. And then here you can verify the details, and there was an option on the right side to export these informations in CSV file. So when we click on CSV export, it will download all these informations in a CSV format. So it is exported and it is downloaded. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. So if you have any questions related to this plugin export, you can comment it here, or else you can contact me in my website. My website URL is www.upatirajan.com. Thank you.